A high court in Myanmar on Friday rejected an appeal by two Reuters reporters who have been sentenced to 7 years in jail. Journalists Wa Lon and Cho So-u were charged with breaking the Official Secrets Act. They were found guilty in September. It's a landmark case that has raised questions about Myanmar's progress towards democracy and sparked an outcry from diplomats and human rights advocates. On Friday, a high court judge called the 7-year prison term meted out by a lower court, quote, a suitable punishment. The defense has the option of making a further appeal to the country's Supreme Court in the capital Naypyidaw. In their appeal arguments made in December, the reporters' defense lawyers had cited evidence of a police setup and lack of proof of a crime. They told the appeal court the lower court that tried the case had wrongly placed the burden of proof on the defendants. The defense also said prosecutors had failed to prove the reporters gathered and collected secret information, sent information to an enemy of Myanmar, or that they had an intention to harm national security. The judge said the defendants did not follow journalistic ethics and that the court could not determine whether the arrest of the reporters was a trap. A legal officer representing the government told the appeal hearing the evidence showed the reporters had collected and kept confidential documents. He also said they intended to harm national security and the national interest. Before their arrest, the reporters had been working on a Reuters investigation into the killing of 10 Rohingya Muslim men and boys by security forces and Buddhist civilians in western Myanmar's Rakhine state. It took place during an army crackdown that began in August 2017. The United Nations estimates the operation sent 730,000 Rohingya fleeing to Bangladesh.